Hey guys, so welcome back to 365 days of coding. So this is our day 3 and today we're gonna solve a Python problem which is very easy to solve and it will clarify your arithmetic operation uses related doubts in Python. So let's see the problem. So what we need to do is we need to perform the following operation on 6 and 3 and print their respective outputs in different lines: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Then the output will be 6 plus 3, 6 minus 3, 6 into 3 and 6 divided by 3 in separate lines. And the final output we will get is 9, 3, 18 and 2.0. Let me help you explain, understand this problem. So what we are trying to do here is first we need to perform the addition to 6 and 3. So 6 plus 3 which will give us 9. Right? Similarly we will do 6 minus 3 which will give us let's say 3. Then we will say 6 into 3 which will give us 18, and then we will do 6 divided by 3 and this will give us 2.0. So this is what we are trying to do, and this is how we get these output 9, 3, 18 and 2.0. So let's write our approach to achieve this. So first of all we need to print the sum of 6 and 3. After that, what we need to do, we need to print the subtraction of 6 and 3. After that, we need to print the multiplication of 6 and 3. And finally, what we need to do is we need to print the division of 6 and 3. So let's try to code this. Okay, so to code this we just need to write print 6 plus 3. This will give us the addition. Then print 6 minus 3. This will give us subtraction. And finally then we will print 6 into 3 and then we will print 6 divided by 3. So let's run this and see if we are getting the desired output. So yes, we are getting 9, 3, 18 and 2.0, which is our expected output here. This, okay. Now there is one problem in here which I can see is that we are writing, first of all, we are writing 4 print statement, right? And currently the number is 6 and 3. So tomorrow if I want to do same process for let's say 5 and 4, then I need to write again 4 print statement. And again, if number changes to 10 and 3, then again I need to write this 4 statement. So this is the problem in here. So let's optimize this. So how we can optimize this? So first what we can do, we can declare 2 variables num1 and num2. So first of all we will declare 2 variables num1 and num2, and then we will try to follow these 4 steps. Okay, so then we will follow these 4 steps. So let's copy and paste to save some of our time. Okay, and instead of this 6 and 3 we will say num1 and num2. Okay, so let's copy this and replace this. Okay, now let's do this. So first we need to declare variable num1 and num2. So we will say num1 is nothing but 6, and second variable is num2 which is 3. Okay, now again I write the print statements, and here I will write num1 plus num2. Same I did above, but instead of that we will just print this num1 and num2, and similarly I will do num1 minus num2. For third step, we will say print num1 into num2, and for fourth, I will say print num1 divided by num2. Okay, this is what we are doing, and let's try to print and see whether we are getting that same output or not, this one. And if I run this, see, we are getting the same output as this. Now if tomorrow the number changes, let me show the benefit, like it become 5 and it become, let's say, 10. Then if I run this again, so it will automatically calculate the these solutions here. So it will give us 5 plus 10, which is 15. Then if we subtract, then I will get minus 5, 50 and 0.5. So yeah, so this is how we solve this problem. Let's sum up before we conclude this video. Okay, so we have given a problem where we need to find, where we have given two numbers 6 and 3, and we need to find the addition, subtraction and multiplication, division of those numbers. Okay, so first what we did, we write a first approach where we print where we print the addition of those numbers, subtraction, multiplication and division directly, and then we get an idea that if tomorrow the number changes, so this solution might not work. We need to again end up coding this whole line. So what we did, we declared two variables, and instead of giving the concrete value, we make it dynamic. Okay, so this way we provide a solution to this problem. Okay, so here this is all about this video. If you like the video, you can give a thumbs up, and if you want to subscribe and want to follow with me and do not want to miss out any new video in this series, so you can consider subscribing and press that bell notification. So let's meet in next video. Bye bye.